morning, kids. Come on in. Good to see you. Good to see you. You too, little fella.
Order alert. Order alert. This is not a drill.
Ooh, sweet golden medal.
On a planet with no name, a top-secret experiment has gone horribly wrong. You are humanity's last hope.
Rootin' tootin', ready for shooting.
All right. Now listen up, because I'm only gonna say this once. Fear is a 4-letter word, ladies. If you want to go pee-pee in your big boy slacks, keep it to yourself. It's make your mama's proud time.
I love my mama.
Heads up! First-person shooter coming through!
Ooh, robot.
Gameplay in 3, 2, 1.
We are humanity's last hope. Our mission? Destroy all cybugs. You ready, rookie? Let's find out.
Sweet mother helmet.
Cybug! Hologram, take it, newbie. Watch it, rookie! These monsters become what they eat!
Get it! Hang on! Give me that back!
Shoot the eggs before they hatch!
Oh no, something coming out of their bottom!
Markowski! Get back in formation. Alright, ladies, the kitten whispers and tickle fight stop now. The entrance to the lab is straight ahead.
I'll meet you guys inside! Oh, thank you, Aaron! Thank you, Aaron! I thought this was gonna be like Centipede! When these video games become so violent and scary! Please, get me out of here! Take it!
Game over.
What a ripoff.
Get out, me! It's game over! Stop it! Beacon up! Beacon up!
Cease fire! Cease fire! Attention. Return to start positions. Return to start positions.
Here, let me help you. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, you must be upset.
Markowski!
Who? Whoa! Oh, yeah, me. I'm Markowski.
What's the first rule of hero's duty?
No cuts, no butts, no coconuts.
Never interfere with the first-person shooter. Our job is to get the gamers to the top of that building so they can get a medal, and that's it. So stick to the program, soldier!
Right, aye.
Order alert. Order alert.
All right, Pussy Willows, back to start positions.
Yeah, right. No way I'm going through that again. So that's where they keep the medal, huh?